Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive up car ramps. Before you begin, always ensure your work area is on firm, level ground, such as a concrete driveway. Take a moment to verify that your car ramps can safely support your vehicle's gross weight. As a critical safety measure, position sturdy wheel chocks securely behind both rear wheels. This prevents any unwanted rolling once you are on the ramps, offering peace of mind for your entire task. Slowly approach the ramps, guiding your tires directly onto the ramp center. Maintain a straight path. A slight turn could cause a ramp to shift. Drive forward at a very gentle, consistent speed, perhaps a walking pace. You will feel a small bump or resistance as your tires reach the flat, top section of the ramp. Stop immediately once both front tires are securely resting in this recessed area, not going over. With your vehicle safely positioned on the ramps, the first step is to shift your car into park if it is an automatic, or first gear if it is a manual transmission. Next, firmly engage your parking brake. This is a crucial step for preventing any accidental roll-offs. For maximum security, especially if you plan to be under the car for some time, consider placing an extra pair of wheel chocks in front of your elevated front tires. When your work is complete and you are ready to descend, first remove any extra chocks from under the front wheels. Then, gently release the parking brake and shift your transmission into reverse. Proceed with extreme caution, backing down the ramps at a very slow, controlled speed. Watch your mirrors and listen carefully to ensure a smooth, safe descent back onto level ground. This ensures a safe completion to your task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.